Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on setting up the V2ray VPN. Whether you're new to VPNs or looking to get started with this specific application, this tutorial is for you. We'll cover everything from downloading the app to connecting to a server and even exploring the advanced settings like tweaks and SNI. Let's get started. The first step is to download and install the V2ray application. You can find it on the Google Play Store. Just search for V2ray Tunnel VPN and tap the install button. The app is a relatively small size at 22 megabytes, so it should download and install quickly on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen featuring a heart icon. Take a moment to read the app's features listed on this screen, and then tap the Let's Go button at the bottom to continue. Now it's time to choose a server. The app's main screen has a large power button, and you'll need to select a server before you can connect. A pop-up will appear, asking you to select server type. You have three options: premium servers, free servers, and custom servers. For this guide, we'll choose the free servers option. This will present you with a list of free servers in various countries, such as Australia, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. You can see the ping time in milliseconds next to each server, which can help you choose the fastest one. After you've selected a server, the main screen will update to show your choice. At this point, you can also explore the advanced settings. From the home screen, tap the three-line hamburger icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Here you'll find various options, including tweaks and SNI settings. Tweaks are pre-configured settings designed to bypass network restrictions in specific regions, making your connection more stable and reliable. By selecting a tweak, you can optimize your connection for your particular network environment. Next is the SNI, server name indication settings. The SNI field is a crucial part of the TLS handshake that allows the client to indicate the host name it is trying to connect to. Configured your server, tweaks, and SNI settings, it's time to establish the VPN connection. To do so, simply tap the large power button in the center of the screen. The app will then display a small guide about the button's function, explaining that it will turn blue when the VPN is active and gray when it's not. Tap the button again, and you might be prompted to give the app permission to create a VPN connection. Be sure to grant this permission to proceed. The V2ray app also offers some other powerful settings for more advanced users. In the settings menu, you can enable a speed display in your notification bar, which is a great way to monitor your connection. You can also manage options like inifane and auto-reload servers, which are on by default. A particularly useful feature is per-app proxy, which lets you choose which specific applications on your phone will use the VPN connection. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and using V2ray VPN. Once you're connected, you can browse the internet with enhanced privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any